In this short Facebook marketing tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page on the mobile app. I have another recent tutorial on this channel showing how to create a Facebook page on desktop and showing how to optimize a Facebook page on desktop. So I'll link to the optimization tutorial in the description because I think you can do all the same optimization on mobile, but the categories and the things that you need to look for should be the same. So I'll link to that tutorial down in the description below. And if you find this helpful and you want to see more content from me, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. My name's Alex. I'm a digital marketer and content creator with Lover Fighter Writer. And if you know anyone who you think would find this helpful or who might like the content on this channel, please consider sending them the link. And now we'll get right into the process of creating a Facebook page on the Facebook mobile app. And anytime that you're signed into the Facebook mobile app, you'll likely be able to see your profile picture in the top right corner here, highlighted in red. And when you tap on that, it should bring you to a page that looks kind of like the one that I have. And from there, you just need to scroll down until you see the Pages button right here. And by clicking on that, you'll go to a list of any pages that you have access to. This would include any pages that you created, as well as any that you have access to for clients or anything like that. And right in the top left corner, there's a Create button, which will initiate the creation of a new page. And assuming that you are looking to create a business page, you'll want to choose Professional here. And this is where you can put in your page name. This is not going to be the URL, it's going to be the page title or the page name, and you can change this in the future, but you do need to put something in as at least a placeholder, and I would certainly recommend putting in the real name. And on this screen, you can choose one or more categories. I think you need to choose at least one, and you can add up to 3 in total. So this will be the type of business that you have, or the category of the type of content that you're creating, or anything else like that. And when you type in here, it will auto-suggest the categories, and you can just select the ones that you want or need, and then hit create. And I believe that you can edit these later as well. And this screen is where you can add a profile picture and a cover photo. And I definitely recommend at least having a profile photo. And if you don't really want a cover photo, or if you just don't care, then it's not 100% necessary, but it can be very beneficial. And you can use pictures that you take yourself and just upload them from your phone, or you can use a free app like Canva to create a graphic using stock assets and other design elements provided by the software. So we'll hit next, and here you can invite any friends that you want to like the page. But I only really recommend inviting anyone who you think would actually be interested in what you're going to be publishing, because otherwise it'll just be followers that aren't getting you any engagement. And right here, you can choose whether you want to receive promotional emails related to your page and notifications. And then you get one last chance right here to edit any of these details before you publish your page by hitting done. I recommend not allowing reviews on your page unless you think that you will be getting a lot of positive reviews, because there are a lot of people that will spam reviews. And then once you tap the done button here, it will save the page and then publish it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I'll be back again soon.